Congratulations on completing NFT Fundamentals. I hope you found the course valuable and that you apply what you've learned. So now I'd like to issue you a call to action. As we finish the course, I want you to realize that you have the tools to create and sell your own NFTs. But nothing happens until someone makes a sale. So right now what I want to leave you with is some wisdom that I've learned throughout the years, specifically when I'm launching digital businesses. Because creating NFTs and selling them is a digital business that you will be embarking on. Realize that you need to have an audience and you need to be able to offer a product to that audience that they'll be able to buy. So to do that, I want to put two concepts into your mind. Number one, I would encourage you to have a marketer's mindset. A marketer basically looks at everything as a learning opportunity. There's no such thing as making a mistake. Whenever you make a product and you put it out there, if it doesn't sell well, you've bought data. You've understood that that doesn't work. So you try again and you try something different. And then when you hit the right product, from there, you double up and you keep scaling that up. So in order for you to really start on the right foot, I want to let you know about a secret that I've been using throughout the years whenever I launch a new digital business. And that's what I call a digital business seed. A digital business seed consists of three components. The first one is who, the second one is what, and the third one is how. The who is the target audience. That is, who are you preparing the business for? Who is the people that's actually going to consume your products or services? The what is, what will you be offering to that audience? And the how is how you're going to get compensated. That is, how you're going to get paid. So I want you to apply this to your own NFTs. Realize that you need to decide who will be the target audience that will be getting the NFTs that you offer. If you're a painter and you already have people that buy your paintings, that's a perfect audience for you to be able to offer your NFTs to. The what is going to be your NFT. What's your NFT going to look like? Is it going to be a digital picture? Is it going to be a video? Is it going to be an audio recording? Is it going to be a combination of an audio recording and a picture? What are you going to create as an NFT to make available? And realize that the how is already taken care of. How is when you place your NFT on a marketplace, such as OpenSea, and you make it available for sale. So you have the tools to create and sell your own NFTs, and you realize that all you really have to define is who is going to be your audience that you're going to be preparing NFTs for. What? Well, what will that NFT look like? And the how, you've already got it covered. I would encourage you to take advantage of OpenSea first, because once you create your first NFT, you don't have to pay anything further to create subsequent NFTs. And I highly encourage you to keep launching and creating new NFTs and putting them available for sale, because they're going to be selling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that's the power of a digital business. A digital business is working for you while you're doing other things with your life. If you're a musician, you could be playing shows. Your NFTs are going to be selling for you. If you're a painter, you could be creating new paintings. If you're a sculptor, the same. The point is this: what you want to do is take advantage of the 6 easy steps that you have learned and start creating and launching your own NFTs for sale. I hope this course is very, very valuable for you. I hope you get the most advantage of it, and I really look forward to seeing what you create. And I would like to really thank you very much for the opportunity to share this information with you. I'm George Levy, and I wish you ever growing success.